What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Bear. Today we have a accessory for the Cybertruck, and what we're looking at today is something for the wheels itself. Now, I know I'm a little bored of just rocking the wheel covers, and I have the core wheel covers, so they look a little cheesy in my opinion. So I wanted to spruce up the appearance of my Cybertruck, so I went ahead and picked up some center caps for the actual wheels itself. Center caps, not wheel covers. Link will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and pick some up for yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look and see how much better it's going to make my Cybertruck look. All right, so here we're going to get the center wheel caps. So this is how they're going to come. Now you're going to get 4. You're going to get the extrusion wheel center caps. Bam. And you also get a center cap without a logo if you want to go ahead and put that. These go like in the middle right there. But they work on both core and all-terrain wheels. I tried them before I even made the video just to make sure that they were going to fit and work, and they absolutely do. So these work on both set of wheels. If you have the all-terrain wheels or the core wheels, these center caps are going to work just fine. You're going to get the instructions. You're going to get 4 of the center caps, and you're going to get the removal tool and the little center caps with adhesive on the back. What this is if you want to go ahead, you install these real quick. This goes on here like so. In my opinion, I don't think you need them if you're not even going to put anything, so you can just leave these aside unless you want to customize and put something on there, maybe a logo of yourself, and then just stick it on there and that. But in my opinion, I don't think I'm going to use them because they're just blank, so no need to. So to install these, we're just going to go ahead and push them in. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. Okay, here we are at the wheel. So all we got to do is kind of line this up like this, press it in. I think it's in right there. Beautiful. There we go. You gotta give it a nice snap and it goes right in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all 4. Now you do have a little pinhole here, and what that does is you get that little removal tool that I showed you earlier, and you put it in there, and that's how you give it a nice yank, and I'll pull the center cap off. But you do gotta kind of give it a nice press and give it a nice thump with your fist and snap it in place. But I'm gonna go ahead and do all 4 and then give you a look on how the vehicle looks. So there you have it. I honestly think they look a lot better. Let me give you a nice little close-up on it. Look at that. They look absolutely better. Let's go to the front. Bam. Let me give you a nice side shot. Bam. Look at that. Let me know what you guys think. I honestly think it looks a lot better. Now, this little tool right here, this is what, let's see if we can get focus on this. This is what you're going to put in this little pinhole right there and yank it. I suggest you use pliers because it's a little hard to yank. But let me give you another look from this side. Without the sun out of the way. Oh, the sun is in the way. But look at that. It absolutely looks amazing. So there you have it, guys. Those are the wheel center caps for the Cybertruck. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like them? Do you guys not like them? I honestly think it sets off the truck and makes it look a lot better. If you have any questions regarding these center wheel caps, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.